hope you're all okay. So today I'm going to be talking you through our cozy bedroom refresh and some tips on how to make your bedroom feel cozier this winter. Very excited to be working on this video with Emma Sleep, who got in contact with me a few weeks ago to ask if I'd like to collaborate, and this collaboration could not have come at a more perfect time because we were literally thinking about having a bit of a refresh in the bedroom. We decorated in here last August, and then as things happen with being a parent, it's been one of those things of it wasn't 100% finished, and there was definitely some things that I wanted to do to the bedroom to make it feel cozier this winter time. So Emma Sleep have very kindly gifted us a mattress, a mattress protector, a 4-season duvet and 2 pillows, and let me just tell you that, oh my goodness, they are so comfortable. We've also upgraded to a king size bed as well, so we feel like we are just living the dream at the moment. And Emma Sleep have got an amazing Black Friday offer on at the moment. So I will pop a link in the description box where you can see all the offers. There's up to 65% off, and then there's also a code which I will pop on the screen here and also down below, which gets you an additional 5% off on top of those Black Friday offers. So honestly, if you're thinking about upgrading your mattress or your duvet or your pillows, now is the time to do it because the prices are so good. Now let's talk a little bit about the mattress, because Emma Sleep is definitely one of the brands that I hear about a lot when it comes to mattresses, and when we were thinking about upgrading ours, they were definitely the brand that I was going to head to first. So when I got the email, I was like, oh, this is such a good coincidence. My sister has an Emma Sleep mattress and says it's really good and really raves about it, so I had first-hand recommendations, so I was really excited to have our own Emma mattress. So we have got the Emma Luxe cooling mattress. Now what I really love about this is it really helps to regulate your temperature. Now I don't know about you guys, but I get really hot on the night, so this is absolutely perfect because it means that you can keep at the perfect temperature. Even in the winter I get really warm, so I definitely think this is like a really good mattress for us. It is so comfortable. It's literally like sleeping on a cloud. And then all the accessories of having the duvet, which is a 4 seasons duvet. So what it does is it poppers off when it's summer and you put the top layer away, but it feels like one of those cozy hotel duvets. Like I literally feel like I'm getting into a hotel bed at night. And then the pillows are really plump. So yeah, it literally gives me like hotel vibes, which is exactly what you want from your own bed, right? The mattress also has amazing support for your body, so you're gonna get the best night's sleep possible. So you get a 200-night risk-free trial, and you also get a 10-year guarantee with the mattresses too, which is great. Ever since we've upgraded the mattress and the bedding, we've noticed such a difference in terms of our sleep. I feel like we've had really good night's sleep ever since, which is quite rare for us, especially because we do have a little toddler who, let's just say, her sleeping isn't the best. But I feel like we've all slept really well in this bed. And you know when you have those sleeps when you wake up in the night and you think you've been asleep for hours and you've had such a good long deep sleep, but it's actually only 2 o'clock in the morning. I've had so many of those, and I've woke up feeling really refreshed, which is absolutely perfect because this time of year can be quite stressful, so making sure that you have a good night's sleep is obviously optimum. So yeah, so I will pop the discount code and the link down below, but if you are looking to upgrade your room, upgrade your bedding, your mattress, then I definitely would head over to Emma Sleep because the offers are really good. So as well as getting a new mattress and our new bedding, which obviously has made a huge difference to how cozy the bedroom feels, we've done a few other bits and bobs as well, which I'm really excited to talk about. So yeah, and what I just wanted to do was, I felt like the room felt just a little bit unfinished, and I also felt like it felt quite cool toned. One of the reasons was we picked a very bright off-white colour in here that has cool tones. I didn't really think about the tones till afterwards. We should have gone for a warm tone colour, but it's one of those things. So I've been trying to bring out warmer tones with accessories in the room. So I've changed up the pillow covers, and I've gone for a kind of burgundy maroon colour to just kind of warm things up and add a bit of richness, which I think works really well in here. We did have blue cushions before, which were lovely, and I felt like they were perfect for summer, but I just wanted to, like I said, add a bit of warmth and a bit of colour. Then we have added new curtains. So if you watched my other vlogs, you'll have seen that we've recently had new windows. So they're going to make a huge difference to the coziness and the warmth of the room, because our old windows were very old and very drafty, and I would literally lie in bed at night last winter and I could feel the draft coming through. So to not have that anymore is just absolutely amazing. So they're going to make a huge difference, but I also wanted to get new curtains in here too. The curtains that we had in here before were very cheap. I bought them when we decorated the room last summer, and I needed something on a budget, and they've done the job. They were blackout, they matched everything. Like I said, they did their job, but I just wanted something a bit cozier and also to kind of match the warm neutral tones that I've got going on in here. I've done a few little touches in here to make the room feel more cozier and personable and warm, and by doing that I've added a few different photos to our photo frames. I feel like it's lovely having photos of like scenery around the room, but like on my bedside table I had a picture of like some clouds and it just didn't really mean anything to me, so I've changed it for a picture of Pen at the pumpkin patch, which always makes me smile when I see it, and that just makes me feel happy and relaxed, and I guess it just makes the room feel a bit more kind of cozy and welcoming, if that makes sense, and like lived in. I've also added a few different textures and kind of accessories into the room. So over on this side in front of me now, we've changed the dresser. I got this one off Facebook, and I've just added some really kind of neutral but warm toned accessories, which I feel works really well. And then what I've done, we had like this kind of grey bluey storage box. I've popped like a cream blanket over the top and a cute little neutral cushion, which again has just added in some cozy vibes, and I feel like this works really well. And I just wanted to get into bed at night and look across to the other side of the room and just feel really calm in here, and I feel like it looks like that now. Whilst before, the old dresser was very old and shabby and it was just a dumping ground for things, so I'm determined for us not to do that to this one and just make it a really nice calm cozy space in here. I'm really pleased with how this room has turned out. There's definitely a few other cozy touches that I would like to add. I'd love to add a rug underneath the bed, which I think would help with the fact we've got laminate floor. I feel like that would add to the coziness, and I do definitely want to get a bigger dresser for the other side of the room, but that's something that I'll keep an eye out for. But yeah, I'm very tempted to get a similar rug to what we have downstairs in the living room. I feel like that would also add to the coziness of the room. But I am really pleased with everything, and one of the main things is I'm really pleased with how the bed is. It just is so comfy and cozy to sleep in, and I feel like it's made a huge difference to, well, it's just made a huge difference to our sleep, which is just what you want when you're a parent. Like I said, if you are fancying a little cozy refresh for your room and you want to upgrade your bedding, like treat yourself for Christmas, I will pop a link down to Emma Sleep's Black Friday sale. It's a huge sale, the prices are amazing, and don't forget my discount code gets you an extra 5% on top too. I feel like getting older has made me realise that you need to invest in your bedding. We spend so much time in our beds, so it needs to be the best. So yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's been fun to do something a little bit different. As you guys know, I love pottering about the home and doing homey bits and bobs, and there's going to be a vlog of behind the scenes of us doing this in the room, so I will pop that that'll probably be the next video that you see, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But I hope you're having a really good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.